What is up, guys and gals? It is Tyler and Emily, and today we are making Jello shots. So we are gonna go get the supplies and we'll show you what you guys need to make Jello shots today. Okay, so the theme for today is gonna be 4th of July. I got with me Smirnoff red, white, and berry that we're gonna be adding to our Jello shots. And then of course, water. We're gonna make the shots half vodka and half water, so you know, no one's getting too crazy at this little shindig howdy hoedown party. You can use whatever kind of vodka you want. I don't recommend using whiskey because that'd be pretty disgusting. The other things that we will need are 1 cup of measuring. I didn't know what it was called.
Cup of measuring.
Jello. We got strawberry and blueberry. You can use whatever kind of Jello you want. We're going with the red, white, and blue theme, so we got blue and red Jello. Copper poos and water. So looks like first things first, with the water you have to go and boil that, and every cup of water that you use is a cup of alcohol that you want to use. If you want the shots to be half shot, half water. I honestly don't know how you would do it if you wanted your shot to be just straight vodka, because you'd have to boil the vodka, and I don't know how that would work, but try it out. Just don't burn down your house because alcohol is flammable. So I'm gonna go boil this. All right, so now we got our concoction. Now we're gonna begin the long process of pouring out this into all the individual cups. Once we get that done, we're just gonna slide it in the fridge, let it sit, and then we'll have our Jello. We're gonna repeat the same process with the red, and we should have a mixture of blue and red Jello shots. I don't think we're gonna do all the reds because we really underestimated how many of these we were gonna have. So I used this little plunger pooter thingy that I just like dipped in and then covered and then filled it. Don't use that. Use a ladle. Emily filled them way quicker than I did, and be prepared to get a little sticky because it's definitely not a clean job, but it's still a lot of fun. Time to pop these puppies in the fridge. All right, so we just finished the red. This was a total of 2 boxes. We counted these out, and there's how many?
34.
There's a total of 34. So if I can math, which I learned from the college, that means there are 17 shots about this size roughly per container. So doing that math, we have 7 containers times 17. That's 119 total Jello shots. Look at that, I colleged. Look at me, bro. We're gonna get these in the fridge with the blue ones, and then we're gonna try them out tomorrow, and hopefully everyone loves them, and we'll have on some cute little festive 4th of July outfits for you guys. All right, see you then. Peace. All right, guys, it is the 4th of July, and all of our Jello shots are finally cold enough that they are solid and not gonna fall out of the cups. And look how many we have. This is only half the Jello shots, so if you use 10 boxes of Jello, you're gonna have more than enough. Anyways, we're gonna test these out and see how everyone likes them.
Touch me.
Corona
Say
bitches.
it. Say it.
Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Yeah.
Happy birthday, America.
Okay, we're gonna make it out.
No. What?
So quickly.
He's like, see ya.
No, anytime I'm like, hey, do you want a cup of Jello? He's like, here. I'm like, what the fuck?
What's the big deal?
Yeah, he's Jello.
Oh, look at you too.
Yeah, Mom.
Alcoholic.
I know, I like barely
My
didn't
God.
eat any of mine.
Nice.
Oh my God.
Thanks guys again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.